Lesson 8, fractions times whole numbers. So first thing we need to do is make the whole number a fraction. So to make the whole number a fraction, your whole number is the numerator and your denominator is 1. So for example, 7 is the same thing as 7 over 1. That's all I do. 7 over 1. Step 2, multiply across, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, then simplify. Or, as we talked about last lesson, we can simplify first and then multiply across and then simplify again if needed. So let's take a look at some examples. Here's what the problems look like. So I've got 1/3 times 18. So step number 1, make it a fraction. Make my whole number a fraction. Now, can I simplify the 1 and the 1? Nope. But I can simplify the 18 and the 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 1 times 6 is 6 over 1. So then I need to make my improper fraction a mixed, my improper fraction a mixed number or whole number. So 6 divided by 1 is 6. Moving along, again, I'm going to make my whole number a mixed number. I can't simplify the 2 and the 1, but I can simplify the 5 and the 10. So 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. So I get 4 over 1, which equals 4. Okay. So go ahead and give the video a pause and do the you try, and then pause it and unpause it and see how you did. So here's what I came up with. Made 12 a fraction. I simplified the 12 and the 9 by dividing by 3. 6 times 4 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3. So 24 over 3 equals 8. Next problem, made 6 over a fraction, 6 over 1. I simplified the 6 and the 10, divided them both by 2. 7 times 3 is 21. 5 times 1 is 5. So I got 4 and 1/5. Now, how did you get 4 and 1/5? Well, 21 divided by 5 is 4. So this is why we had you do fractions way, way back at the beginning of the year when we did division. Okay? Because they're all mixed numbers. We set you up for success. You have to learn nothing to make an improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay? Just a little refresher on why we did that. Okay? So next problem is we're looking at this shape right here, these circles and these squares. So first of all, I need to count how many circles are there all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's the first number, 16. So how many circles are there? There are 16 circles altogether. Times, what fraction of them are shaded? Well, it's broken into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 3 of the 4 pieces are shaded, so times 3/4 equals something. Well, let's make 16 a fraction. We'll simplify. 3 times 4 is 12 over 1, which equals 12. Okay, so again, so the first number, this tells me how many total circles. Okay, how many total circles is the first one? Sorry, that little red dot's bothering me. Next is the fraction of circles shaded. And then finally we have circles, not circles, colored. Or I should say shaded. Use the same terminology. Circle shaded. Okay. So that's what it is. So use this to assist you in answering the you try. So how many total circles times the fractions of circles shaded equals the circles shaded. So you notice we count them up, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So go ahead and give the video a pause and you try it and see what you get. So I had 6 total circles times half of them were shaded and half of them just happens to be 3. So 6 times 1/2 equals 3. And that's how I came up with that. So here's the bell work for tomorrow. Just give this, should zip right through it when you come into class tomorrow. So enjoy the rest of your evening and we'll see you tomorrow.